Hi everyone, Varun this side from EagleOwl. In this video, I'll be showing you how to do stock taking by importing Excel. You have to select the outlet, click on inventory SKU. So in this outlet, I have a total of 12 SKUs and I'll be doing stock taking for the entire 12 SKUs. Click on export and Excel will get downloaded. So it will show you the name, when was this item last purchased, recipe it's used in, cost, unit, yield and par level. For stock taking, we don't need recipe, cost, yield and par level, so I'll delete them. Instead, I need quantity and type. So this date here will change to the day when you're doing the stock taking. Let's say month end of it. You can just copy for the entire list. Unit will remain the same. Quantity again, you have to enter how much ever you have at that particular moment. If you don't have anything, you have to enter 0. That is the right way of doing it. And then type, again, it could be either SKU type or recipe type. So you have to enter it here. Since everything here is an SKU type, I'll copy it here and then save it. You can go back to inventory, stock taking, click on import, select the file, you tag them accordingly, SKU, date, unit, quantity, and type to validate. It's in month, day, year, that is right, and closing stock, validate, and submit. So your data has been successfully uploaded. Now, if you go to the stock taking list, it will show you on 28th Feb, you did closing stock for 12 items worth this much. If you want to see the items for which you have taken the closing stock, you can see all the item here. If you have made some mistake, you can click on this pen icon here and edit it. Now, let's say if you're doing the stock taking for this particular, only these 12 items, even next month or next week, you can just click on this clone icon here, change the date here, type here, and then reset everything to 0 and enter whatever you have in stock. Thank you.